grow up happy and healthy, we need a nurturing world. Just like the trees need sun and water, we need enough food, enough sleep, and a safe home. Trees also need the right soil and strong roots to grow. Our communities need this too. We need people to be there for us, and things to help us learn and grow before we can thrive. For a tree to grow in a forest, it needs others to be able to thrive around it. The relationships we have as we grow are important. We too grow our happiest and healthiest when we are surrounded by a resilient and connected community. We need these things in all the adults around us, not just our parents. Everyone in the community can help us grow and thrive, from the people who help us play and learn to the people who protect us. Adults need these things too. Difficult things happen, and feeling lost, upset, or out of control is normal. It doesn't make us broken. Sometimes we'll need help from somebody professional. Other times, having good relationships and our basic needs met is all we need to help us heal and grow. We are all shaped by the world around us. Our community, relationships, and experiences all play a part. So we can thrive, we need to be healthy and have resilience. But this isn't something we're born with or can learn on our own. It turns out resilience is not something we can do by ourselves. It's a whole community project. We all have a role in creating a nurturing world where we can all thrive.